Hi, Alison O'Conner, the Horty Hipster, back with you. And maybe you're wondering what fertilizer to put on your lawn this spring. If you had a known crabgrass problem last summer, you can absolutely use a product with crabgrass preventer. Now here's a pro tip. If you plan on seeding any bare spots or areas that need a little bit more grass, do not use a crabgrass preventer this spring because it can actually inhibit seed germination. If your lawn was mostly healthy and lush and had very few weeds, you can use any regular fertilizer. After you fertilize, make sure you put on at least a ½ inch to an inch of water, whether that be from your sprinklers or from natural precipitation, and always read the label and follow the instructions on the bag. You want to make sure that you're using the appropriate spreader setting to put your fertilizer down.